Alright then guys, so I'm back here again for another video for you guys, and I just want to take this opportunity just to say thank you to all of you. You know, the views are going up, the subscribers are going up, and it's all thanks to you guys. In my next video, I've got a big surprise for you guys, so make sure you've subscribed, you know, make sure you tap like, make sure you leave a comment, because I'm going to switch that bell on, the notification bell, because my next video I've got a big announcement. So in today's lesson, right, I thought it would be interesting for us to take a look at reactions of acids. In my last video I put a cheeseburger in acid, and if you haven't seen that video, I would just tap the link up here. It's really good response. So I thought, well, why not come back with another video with acid. The key thing about acids is in solution they produce hydrogen ions, and you can neutralize an acid using a base. And there are three types of base. You've got an alkali, and an alkali is just a soluble base, or a base that can dissolve in water. You've got a metal oxide, which is a base, and you've also got a metal carbonate. They are three types of base that can all neutralize an acid. Alright, so what most people don't know is that the shell of an egg is made from a base called calcium carbonate. So I want to see what's going to happen when we put this egg into some hydrochloric acid. Let's see.
So those bubbles that you can see, guys, are just bubbles of carbon dioxide being released when the calcium carbonate reacts with the acid. There'll also be a salt of calcium chloride and some water being produced.
Alright guys, I think it's time for us to take our egg out of the acid and let's see what it looks like. So guys, I've just took the egg out of the acid. I've washed it off with a bit of water. If you come close to look, what we've actually done is dissolved most of the shell. So look, there's the shell, but then there's the membrane. So the acid has completely dissolved that metal carbonate shell. And if I just gently look, pierce it, there you go. All that good stuff. Right guys, just to summarize what we've learned in this video, we've learned that acids can be neutralized by bases, and there are three different types of bases. You have an alkali, you have a metal carbonate, and you have a metal oxide, and that the shell of an egg contains a metal carbonate, and it resolved if you've got hydrochloric acid. All right, peace guys.